Oh yeah, what's going down, people? It's your boy Raz, man. We back with another one the way I see it. We doing a three-peat today, cause I seen a couple things come out. Kraff got this new song Rage that just came out, and I've been fucking with Kraff, so I was like, let me go ahead and see what's going on with this real quick. Since it popped up, only got 13,000 views. Only been out for what, a day? I don't even know if it's been out that long, but let's see what's going on with my boy.
Sofa G record.
Put my thoughts in a lyrics where people can hear my pain. You understand? Or me can listen to other people pain and them now have a voice for talk, so me talk for them, you see it? Yeah, man, they say
When that song to me,
I want to say that interview that he quoting right now, that's an interview from The Fix. I watched that interview, and when I watched that was probably maybe a week or two ago. I probably couldn't pick up at least 65 of what bro was saying, like 65% of what he was saying. I couldn't even tell you, but listening to him just say it now, I just caught all that, so it's like, yeah, I'm picking it up, I'm getting it. But yeah, let's see what bro talking about.
hear the pain not charge.
yeah, man, and that's why we dwell in the darkness. Because when you're there in the darkness, you're not gonna really see nobody else but yourself, so nobody can go hurt you.
Yeah, also too, if for anybody watching this for the first time, Kraft, he I don't know if they got I heard somebody mention like emo trap dancehall. I don't know if I say that he's emo exactly, but most of his stuff is like more like it's like it's got a sad undertone to it, like a real struggle, more struggle than party for most stuff. He got a couple songs out there that kind of, that's a little more upbeat and fast paced, or a little more party. But for the most part, he talk about pain a lot, and darkness, and just like certain things that's on that end of the spectrum more. So if that's what you into on in other categories of rap, then you probably fuck with bro. But yeah, let's get to it.
You know, and because at that time I did expose to too much light, so me I see a bag of people, so my brain confused. You know, I'm gonna know it's part the snake or forward from. You understand? Heart full of pain, so me can't trust nobody. Walk with the flame, if me clap it dog, me no sorry. That not the past, right now this are the best of me. Life lessons, like Steen or some master, it can't fail. You know, see it, see I see natural, this me feel pain. Pour the end, if me thoughts again, you want pain. See it, you come in a short height. Oh, some of this, man. Pain in a heart when me walk with. Rage in a brain, so me torment. Fling clip in I care. And turn it over while. I make it sing like la da di da da. Da da, da da. Make it sing like la da di da 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 da. Pain in a heart when me walk with. Rage in a brain, so me torment. Fling clip in I care. Turn it over while. I make it sing like la da di da da. Da da, da da. Make it sing like la da di da 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 da. Drop a girl, I seen a girl, I seen a party. Ha me alone, I seen a clone, I seen a army. Ha me alone, I seen a light, I just see darkness. Skatey with me, heart say crash, she brain say stop it. Me feeling ill for real, you know me chest hurt me. Me roll the weed and light it up, me my mommy. She had me vessel through the lonely roads of Rocky. Half it make her happy, kill anything, what it happy. Pain in a heart when me walk with. Rage in a brain, so me torment. Fling clip in I care. And turn it over while. I make it sing like la da di da da. Da da, da da.
I want to say the song is hard. Like the song actually, the bro he good at what he do. This video though, man, golly, it's hard to follow. My eyes is like motherfucking spinning, boy. I'm like focusing on what they saying and looking directly into this shit, and the video just spinning around and shit. It's a lot. It's a lot to follow, but it's a cool concept. I don't know if I've seen too many people mess with the visuals like that. But, whew, I just need a little break.
Make you sing like da da di da 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 da. Heart full of pain, so me can't trust nobody. Walk with the flame, if me clap it dog, me no sorry. That not the past, right now this are the best.
He said if I clap me dog, me no sorry. Like if he shoot his boy, like he shoot his homie. I don't know. That's what it sounds like. Clap me dog, me no sorry. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe you talking about on some trader shit. Like you feel me? Like bro, backstab you. Said I might have to clap you still.
So me life lessons, like Stina, so me master it can't fail. You know, see it, I see natural, this me feel pain. Body anything me thoughts again, you want pain. See it, you come in a short tight. Nah. Dark days me coming from. Used to travel with the K, fully chippy belly ram. I know what I me a carry, but me travel with a pan. Can't this and I say sorry, Ruga blow and I no gal. I know Mali make me bad, and a rum make it pull up and got a dozen man. Shotting at the paint pan, black with the paint pan. Shotty with the pin, polish pan with the tint blackish. Healy the gang savage. Pain in a heart when me walk with. Rage in a brain, so me time it. Fling clip in IK, and turn it over while. I make it sing like la da di da da, da da, da da. Make it sing like la da di da 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 da.
So
Alright. Man. Yeah, bro is good at what he do, man. He make catchy ass songs for sure. Like he figured out the formula for pulling you in. It's just so dark. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like I listen to a lot of Kraff, but it's like you gotta kinda you're gonna kinda be in a mood when you listen to it, you know. I don't know if it does it for if you speak like, you know, Jamaican patois fluently and you picking up everything he's saying. It might be little things here and there that I'm not picking up that would change the way you feel about the song. But, you know, for the most part, I think I'm getting it. You know, it's a lot of pain, man. You know, you hear him say pain blatantly a lot, you know, and I don't think the meaning of that changed between nothing. So yeah, man, I fuck with it. Go check out Kraff. He got another couple songs. He got Dinero I like, and then I can't think of the real name of the other song, but it's Voodoo Chop is like the alternate name because he say it in the chorus, you know, like Voodoo Chop, charge up your laptop, press one button, couple millions that, you know, that whatever that song is, but go check out Kraff, man. Look up Rage. This song was cool, you know, and like I said, I like Voodoo Chop a lot. I listen to that a whole lot, and then the first song that got me onto him, I think, was Dinero. So yeah, man, check your boy out, man. Go run his views up, show him some love and all that good shit. You know, I'm make sure I like all the videos if I'm gonna watch it. That's another thing, man. It don't cost nothing to show support. So if you see something and you fucking with it, it don't cost nothing to subscribe real quick and like the video. Ain't no, you know, what's that gonna do? It ain't gonna hurt you none. Especially if you like it. Why wouldn't you want to support in a way that you can? That ain't no skin off your back, you know. So hell yeah, man. Make sure y'all support these young men trying to change their lives and stay up out the hood and get money and change everybody's lives around them and shit. So yeah, man. Do that. But yeah, it's your boy Raz, man, with the way I see it. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one.